Hi, I'm Harlan Akala. Here to share some exciting news. Movement Mortgage offers reverse mortgages. A reverse mortgage, quite simply, is known as a HECM, home equity conversion mortgage. It's a financial product that's designed for homeowners age 62 and older, like me, that lets us access the equity in our home that we built up over years of mortgage payments and home appreciation, which has been wonderful the last several years. Unlike traditional mortgages that we've had for many years, a homeowner makes no monthly payments with a reverse mortgage unless they want to. All payments are optional. Instead, they receive payments back from the mortgage that they've paid over the years. A reverse mortgage can be a great option for a wide range of adults that are 62 or older. Many clients use their growing line of credit to create more cash flow, potentially reduce taxes, and increase their net worth. Are you ready to learn more about how a reverse mortgage could benefit you? Take the first step. Talk to us to empower your financial future and have the fourth quarter of your life be the best one. Connect with Movement today to discover how a reverse mortgage can work for you.